What is up, YouTube? In today's video, we are taking a look at 7 Apple Watch tricks I bet you didn't even know about. Even when I discovered them personally, I was flabbergasted. So let's get into the video. To kick off the list with the first tip, we have mute notifications and calls with your palm. Now, I personally use this option, for example, if I'm having a conversation with somebody and I don't want to really be bothered by a call without having a do not disturb mode activated. It's pretty easy because when I get a phone call on my iPhone, it also rings on my Apple Watch. So all you have to do is cover your Apple Watch and everything will be silenced from timers, notifications, or calls. Now, if you don't know where to find this option, if you go into the settings menu on your Apple Watch, to the gestures tab, and you scroll down, you'll see a cover to mute. Now, all you have to do is activate it and you're good to go. On the second place, we have raised wrist to speak to Siri. Now, I bet not a lot of people know about this, but if you have Siri on device, if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 or later, you can just access Siri without even waking it up with Hey Siri. Now, all you have to do is raise your wrist and speak in the instruction that you want to do it. Now, this is a pretty cool one, even though I don't use it personally that much. Now, if I want to use Siri, I just hold the crown button on my Apple Watch in. Now, it's a pretty nice addition. You know, back when I got my Apple Watch 2 years ago, I had a lot of Apple Watch faces. And, you know, changing between watch faces accordingly, if you like to customize things, you know, I found it a little bit too tedious. And when I discovered that you could just swipe watch faces like this, I was, you know, honestly surprised. Now, for this option, all you have to do is go to the clock settings on your Apple Watch, scroll down to swipe to switch watch face, and you're good to go. It's especially useful if you're somebody into customizing, rocking multiple watch faces for different occasions, for example, or you like to change up the look of your Apple Watch. This option will definitely benefit you. You know, I bet if you have an Apple Watch and you have an iPhone, that pinging your phone with your watch is nothing new. But there is this one thing that makes it even more useful. Now, if you open the control center on your Apple Watch and you hold down the ping button, you can see that your flash is actually flashing. Now, your phone flash, obviously, like this. Now, this is pretty useful if, for example, you lost your phone and where it's quite dark and you can't really hear it or see it. This gives you like a visual cue to find your devices. You know, let's say you are on a vacation or somewhere and you want to take a group selfie without, you know, actually always turning on your phone screen or asking somebody to take the photo. What you can actually do is use your Apple Watch as a camera monitor. Now, if you are on watchOS 26 or watchOS 11, you can actually, you have this built in because it's also compatible on prior Apple Watch models. Now, there is an app that is called Apple Watch or Camera Remote, my bad. And as you can see, it gives a preview of my camera. Now, there is even a more useful trick that I discovered is if you, for example, have a strap, a loop band on your Apple Watch, all you have to do is strap it around your phone like this. Now make sure it's unlocked. You're gonna reopen it. And you guys can see you have a little vlog setup. You see this? It's pretty awesome. You have a little vlog setup. There you go. It's pretty useful, man. It's also a cool feature. I also made a different video explaining to you how this works in depth. So I will put a card up here below so you guys can actually see the video if you're interested in this feature. Sixth on the list, we have cover to turn off the display. This works similarly to cover to mute notifications or silence phone calls. Like, for example, let's say you're in a movie theater and your Apple Watch springs on and your screen turns on. Now, all you have to do is, without even waking your wrist, all you have to do is cover the display so it turns off. Now, note one thing, that this will not work with always on display. So you have to turn off always on display for this to work, because logically always on display keeps your display always on. This is one of the most used, if not the most used feature on your iPhone. But did you know that you can also do it on your Apple Watch? Now, showing this off is a little bit finicky. As you guys can see, all you have to do is click in your crown button and your control button at the same time, and you take a screenshot on your Apple Watch. Now, if you want to activate this option and you don't really have it activated, all you have to do is in the settings on your Apple Watch, scroll down to General, and in General, go to the screenshots and turn it on, and you're good to go. Now, that was it for 7 Apple Watch tricks I bet you did not even know about. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new actually. I'm really curious to see which options you actually knew and which ones you did not know about. Now, that was it for me today, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.